Wait. Alright guys, this is a team truck. Ah, look at that. Nothing left, man. I pull out everything. My kingpin's bad. Took the brake out. The whole thing is completely out. And you know,
What model? You have to tell it model.
these Kingpin 2012 Cascadia Freightliner. Freightliner Cascadia. Look at that, man. This we have to get special tool to take this guy out. Look at that. The hole. It's bad, man. My kingpin's bad. Look at that. Put everything out here. This guy's gone bad. Look at that. We have to move everything. We do the shortcut. We don't take nothing out. Just a couple bolt. You know why we take all day to finish this thing. And the kingpin. He has a kingpin. Oh man, look at that. Anyway, it cost you about $500 each. All right, I got all equipment in the world to take this out. Yeah. It's nothing to stop me. Look at, you need one of these too. They're gonna dry bushing, and well, we soon finish another hour here. Yep. All right, it is for you guys to look. How bad is this? That's why they cost you almost $18,000 to $2,000 to do this job. But anyway, we took them out. We did it. Change a new one. All right, guys. Later.